Hello everyone! Today I'm excited to present our innovative solution to one of the most pressing environmental challenge of our time, water pollution. Our project is called the Water Vacuum Cleaner, a device designed to clean our rivers one drop at a time. Let's start by understanding the scale of the problem. Every year, over 8 million tons of plastic enter our ocean. That's like dumping a garbage truck full of plastic into the ocean every minute. And here's a shocking fact. 80% of this ocean plastic come from rivers. These rivers act as highways, transporting waste from land directly to our seas. If current trend continue, by 2050, there will be more plastic than fish in our ocean by weight. This isn't just an aesthetic problem. This is a crisis for our entire planet.
This global issue hits close to home in Malaysia. Our country faces several water pollution challenges, particularly in urban rivers and coastal areas. Rivers like the Klang and Johor are heavily polluted with plastic waste, industrial runoff, and untreated sewage. The Klang River alone contributes an estimated 15,000 tons of debris to the ocean every year. This pollution affects not only our environment but also our economy, public health, and quality of life. The consequences of these pollutions are devastating for marine ecosystems. Marine animals become entangled in plastic debris, causing injury and death. Many animals mistake plastic for food, leading to starvation as their stomachs fill with indigestible materials. Microplastic is tiny fragments of plastic. They enter the food chain and eventually make their way to our dining table. Over 100,000 marine animals die annually from plastic pollution, and the damage extends to fishing industry and human food sources as well.
To address this critical issue, we have developed the Water Vacuum Cleaner. Our objective was to create an autonomous solar-powered water cleaning device that removes floating debris and waste from water surfaces. This device operates completely on renewable energy, making it an environmentally sustainable solution. It's designed to work autonomously with smart Arduino-based automation and can deploy in various water bodies from small ponds to larger rivers. Let me walk you through the key components of our water vacuum cleaner. First, the solar panel on top converts sunlight into electrical energy to power the device. It includes a built-in battery to store energy for operation during cloudy conditions or at night. The DC motor powers the sweeper brush mechanism at the front of the device. This brush rotates to guide floating waste into the collection nest through the flow of water. A water level sensor detects when the fish nest is too heavy due to excessive waste and sends an alert to the Arduino control system that is the brain of the device, and which then stops the DC motor from continuing to sweep the garbage. The operation is straightforward but effective. The solar panel generates power which is stored in the battery. The DC motor activates the sweeper brush to guide waste toward the collection net. The net captures debris as it flows through the device. The water level sensor monitors the weight of the collection net. When the net becomes too heavy, the Arduino system automatically shuts down the motor to prevent overflow. We have tested our water vacuum cleaner prototype, and the results are promising. In just 1 hour, our device collects 9 plastic bags, 4 tins, 6 plastic bottles, 12 food wrappers. Looking at the daily waste composition, we found that the food wrappers made out 39% of the collect waste, followed by plastic bags at 29%, plastic bottles at 19%, and tins at 13%.
The potential impact of widespread deployment of water vacuum cleaner is dramatic, as you can see in these before and after images. Our device has the power to transport polluted waterways into cleaner, healthier environments for both wildlife and people. Beyond its environmental benefits, the water vacuum cleaner shows significant commercial potentials in the growing water and waterways treatment market. Our target customer includes municipal authorities responsible for maintaining clean urban rivers, environmental agencies focused on conservation of private water, management companies, resource and reactions area with water features. The global water and wastewater treatment market is projected to grow substantially in the coming years, creating opportunity for innovative solutions like ours.
Now, let's talk about the economics of our solution. The water vacuum cleaner prototype is remarkably cost-effective at just 107 ringgit 50 cents total. Here's the breakdown of our components. The solar panel with built-in battery is our biggest investment at just 70 ringgit, but it eliminates ongoing electricity costs. 6 sweepers cost 13 ringgit and 80 cents. The storage box is 12 ringgit. Lighting cost is 8 ringgit and Arduino Uno controller is 7 ringgit. 2 DC motors cost 2 ringgit and DuPont's jumper wires are just 100 ringgit 70 cents. The affordability makes the water vacuum cleaner an accessible solution for various organizations and communities looking to address water pollution challenges. In conclusion, the water vacuum cleaner prototype successfully validates the concept of using automated solar power systems to remove flooding.
Thank you for your attention. Together, we can make a difference in protecting our precious water resources. I'm happy to answer any question you might have about our water vacuum cleaner project.